Imagine publishing 5 faceless YouTube videos every week. No filming yourself, no editing stress, and no big team required. In this video, I'll guide you to automate your entire YouTube workflow using AI, step by step. Many creators struggle with content creation. Filming, editing, and scripting manually can lead to burnout. But what if AI could handle all of that for you? Let's begin our journey with generating endless video ideas. Open ChatGPT and type, "Give me 10 viral YouTube video ideas in the AI niche." Within moments, you'll receive trending topics tailored for your niche. Next, we move on to scripting. Once you pick your best idea, ask ChatGPT to write a complete script. Request it in a conversational tone and under 1,000 words. You'll have a perfect script ready to go. Now it's time for voiceovers. Go to ElevenLabs, paste your script, and choose a voice. Download your MP3. The result? A clear, human-like voice without needing a microphone or studio. For video creation, use Pictory. Upload your script and voiceover. Pictory automates the process, finding visuals and adding subtitles. In just a few minutes, you'll have a polished YouTube video. Next, let's enhance your video. Import it into CapCut or Canva. Add branding, captions, and your logo. Then, with Opus Clip, create short clips from your long video. This way, a single video becomes several engaging pieces of content. Finally, let's monetize your efforts. Set up affiliate links, promote useful AI tools, or sell digital products. Consistency is key. Posting 3 to 5 times weekly compounds your views, watch time, and income. In summary, utilize ChatGPT for ideas and scripts, ElevenLabs for voiceovers, Pictory for video generation, and Opus Clip for repurposing content. Together, these tools will automate your entire video production process. Now you know how to create a faceless YouTube channel that operates seamlessly. Subscribe to AI Wealth Lab for weekly tutorials on AI income and automation. Let's build your digital freedom, one AI tool at a time.